What's going on, you guys? I'm back with another set of videos. This week's upload is going to be a little different. Next week is H2OI. I hope all of you guys can make it there. If not, I will definitely be there enjoying my time. H2OI means prepping. Prepping means lots of money. Right now, I'm going to go get new tires for the Z. The last thing I need is for me to get a flat while I'm going there or while I'm there. So I want this next weekend to be as successful as possible. That being said, I bought coilovers for the Z. I'm going to be getting them installed tomorrow. I'm getting the car washed, detailed, everything. But first things first, time to get the Z some brand new shoes. I'll see you guys when I'm there. Alright, so we're at Ross's shop. It's called New and Used Tires. This place always hooks it up, gives me the best prices on the tires. I'm getting new tires for Skylar. It's very important. Today, I'm also be going to Supreme to get an oil change because, I mean, it's been a while since I got an oil change, and you always want to make sure you have oil in the car before you go anywhere, obviously. So they're going to be doing that. My brother's here from college. We're going to be going to Philly afterwards, so today's going to be a good day. Get in this vlog.
Horse, me.
Yeah! We in the streets of Philly. We just got done smoking hookah. I'm gonna take my brother out to the Supreme meet. It's Friday, so they have another car meet. While I'm working on Skylar, getting her oil, he'll probably be having a good time. Loud music, girls. You know how it goes. Hey! You just dropped something.
What?
I dropped something, I swear.
What is it?
I don't know. You lying ass.
Bro. Yo, why is your hood so heavy, or trunk so heavy?
Whoop, come on.
You ain't open it! It's not, oh shit. Okay. Yo, I need to start working out. Yo, I need a personal trainer.
Packer.
Bro, you got hook. We straight, let's go.
So now we're finally at the shop. The Z's on the lift. Just gonna change the oil real quick, and then we'll be done for tonight. Maintenance-wise, we'll be done for tonight.
Yo, you want a vlog?
Yeah, bro. You wanna be on the vlog?
Yo!
Where you at?
Yo, Joey D987.kdf on Twitter. On Twitter.
Alright, on Twitter, yeah.
If anyone's on
Twitter. I was supposed to do it, but there's no tools, so. You know you're good at changing oil if you don't get your hands dirty after taking the plug out, so. Let's see what you got, bro. See, if Brooke tried doing this, would be fun.
Oh, thanks. No, I like to
moment
get a
of
little
truth.
dirty.
Damn, bro, you like a god.
Yeah, I didn't want to get my shirt dirty.
Yeah, common problems with Z's, they eat through oil like it's nothing. So what I'm using is Fram, and we got some 5WD20. I always use Mobile One. Everybody uses something else, but we're gonna go with Fram for tonight. Just let it drain. Alright, so what do we do next, Brooke?
Island change? Filter, and you gotta like turn it on. I don't remember the steps, but I know I changed oil in my car, and I did a really good job because I followed instructions by someone that knows what the fuck they're doing.
No, I would never trust my car with you.
Well,
Him, yeah.
Well, if you tell me the steps, I know how to do it.
What? Alright, so Skylar finally got some oil in her. She barely had any oil. With these cars, you guys want to have an extra quart of oil in you. I beat on it. So, like, these cars, they can handle it, but you got to supply them with oil. Tonight was pretty successful. I want to say, like, I got tires, got her an oil change. Slowly, we're getting ready for next week. I cannot wait. I'm hoping it's going to be fun. Tomorrow morning, it's going to be another vlog. Tomorrow, I'll be going to Julian again. We're going to do coilovers on my car. Hopefully, then everything will start coming together. Can't wait. But I think I'm going to end the vlog here, guys. As always, be patient and trust the process. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake, 'cause I don't fucking care.